You know, it's very nice of you to take me to lunch, Mr. Bialystok.
Call me Max. You know, I don't let everybody call me Max. It's only those people I like.
Okay, Max. And you can call me Leo.
I already have.
Oh.
Well, where shall we go for lunch?
Well, Max, I don't know, Max. What do you think, Max?
Well, Leo, it's such a beautiful day. Why go to a dark, stuffy restaurant? Let's dine al fresco.
This is al fresco?
The finest.
Thank you.
Excellent. Please tender our compliments to the chef.
Please tender $50.
Of course. Here you are, my good man.
I'm not your good man. I happen to own this establishment.
Give me the change. Everybody's a bitch, Doc. Well, Leo, what say we promenade through the park?
I'd love to, but it's nearly 2 o'clock. I should be getting back to Whitehall and Marks.
Nonsense. As far as Whitehall and Marks is concerned, you're working with Max Bialystok, right?
Right?
Then stick with Bialystok. Lovely out here, isn't it?
I wish I could enjoy it. I'm so nervous. What if someone from the office should see me?
Then you'd see them. And why aren't they at the office?
That's right.
That's it, Leo. You're learning. Having a good time?
I don't know. I feel so strange.
Maybe you're happy.
That's it. I'm happy. Well, what do you know about that?